Hello and welcome to another video. Today is all about connection and connection with yourself, with the nature, with the body, and also with your breath. It's all about learning how to be here in the moment. So today there is no particular order, there is no sets and reps and how many repetitions we're gonna do, what exercise we're gonna do. It's all about finding the space for you, even if it's simply a few minutes, to connect with yourself and to connect with the nature. Now I'm in a beautiful place, somewhere in between middle of the Thailand, and you see I had a busy days, I have very stressful time, and this is my peace. I invite you to do the same. It doesn't matter where you are, find a nice ground, possibly obviously with green, take off your shoes, be barefoot and simply connect with the nature. Then here there is no right or wrong. We simply want to connect the moving, the sinking the breath and the movement, and simply be here in the moment. It's going to be very nice, but it's also going to be very simple. Now, what I want you to do from here, simply to stand up tall. Once you're here, I want you to slowly start breathing and connecting in the same time your body. So this is how it's going to look like. I'm going to take a deep breath in from the nose. If you want, you can close the eyes. I think it's going to be much better. Then from here, what you want to do, so deep inhale, and in the same time you want to raise your hands up. So deep inhale, open your chest, and then deep exhale and slowly let your body drop down. So deep inhale, left and right, back again. One more time, and let go. I'm gonna stand up tall normally now, and then from here, remember, don't worry. There is no perfection here. It's all about connection. I simply want you to be in the moment, and you will see that your body knows how to move. There is no right or wrong. Simply breathe and move. Let your body move freely. From here, what I want to do, for example, I want to again keep breathing. My eyes are still closed, and then I simply want to start moving on the side. This is how it's going to look like. I'm taking a deep breath in, and then simply moving on the side. On the side. Now I invite you to do the same. Please, you don't have to do what I'm doing. I just want you to start feeling your body and the movement. Breathe deeply. Move on the side. Feel how your body and how you start slowly playing and moving with the energy. You can do it slow, you can turn around, you can go down, you can go up. There is no right or wrong. I simply want you to feel. You can stay longer, you can stay in the middle. And back into my center. Now from here, what I want to do, I simply want to send my hips all the way back, my head go down, and then from here I want to slowly play on the ground. So I'm slowly twisting my side, going backward, slowly twisting my side and changing. Back again. And always keep breathing. It's all about a flow and connection. Now from here, if I want, I can also be down. I can also go under my body. Left and right, up, side, back, down. Feel, explore. This is the beauty of the body. The body can move in so many different ways. There is not right or wrong. going back again to the center, and then from here I'm simply gonna come into the straight position again. My eyes are still closed. And I want to simply play with the stillness. See, most of us are always caught up into this busy life. There is always something going on. There is always something we need to pay attention, how we move, how we act. Remember, if you by yourself in the nature, simply be, let yourself go, explore your body, explore the space around you. This is the most important thing that you will always have, and it's the present moment, simply to be here. You see, when you come to this practice like this, it's something very simple, but you will see how easy it is to make you become more aware of how important it is to simply be here, how nice it is to simply breathe, to be free to move. It's only you, nature, your body. And simply stay still. Find your pace in breathing. You will see that the mind will start wandering, trying to go back in the past, in the future. There is no one else except you here. There is no place that you should be than simply be here now. Again, I'm going to start using energy and the movement to simply again reconnect. Deep inhale. And exhale. You will see that how, when you learn how to become aware and be more in the present moment, how you will start feeling much more. You can feel how beautiful it is simply to be alive. You can hear the nature. You can hear your breath. It's a miracle simply to be alive and to be here. And again, whatever you do, remember that you're doing all of this always simply for yourself. Again, thank you so much for taking care of yourself and to be here with me. I seriously invite you to spend even a few minutes a day to connect with yourself, to connect with the nature, wherever you are, even in a busy city, but to see how important it is to be in the moment, to start feeling, and then you're gonna feel much more alive and much better. Thank you.